Hello, this is Suman Upadhyay. In this video, I'll be covering SciLab code on bisection method. Here is the question. Write a SciLab code to find the real root of the equation x cube minus 20 in the interval 1, 4 using bisection method. And also we are asked to perform 7 iterations. Let us understand the SciLab code for the same. The first line of the code is CLC. CLC is used to clear the console window of the SciLab. Next, we have defined variables a, b and k to enter the lower limit and upper limit of the interval and for number of iterations to be performed. The syntax for the same is this. Input command is used for user to enter the value. So when you will execute the code, it will display you on the console window enter lower limits. At that time, you will enter lower limit as 1 and upper limit as 4 and number of iterations as 7. Next, we need to define an equation for which we have used keyword def, D-E-F-F, and the syntax for the same is this. From here onwards, our bisection method code starts. We all know that the root will exist in an interval if f of a and f of b are of opposite sign. That means their multiplication will be negative. Here we are writing if f of a into f of b is greater than 0, that means it is positive, then it will display wrong limits. That means root is not existing in the given interval. Else, it is going to execute this command. The first line after else command is j is equals to 1. Here we have defined variable j, that means and initialize it with 1. That means we are performing our first iterations. While j is less than equals to k. So till the value of j exceeds k, it is going to run the code. While j is less than equals to k, the next line xn, the bisection formula. The formula of bisection method is a plus b by 2, where a and b are what? Lower limit and upper limit of the interval. In next line, we are printing all the values a, b, xm, f of a, f of b and f of xm. So for that, 6 values we are displaying. So 6 times we are going to write down the mod f. So after calculating xm, we are displaying the value. Now when we are going to second iterations, either value of a or b will get changed. It depends upon this condition. So if f of a into f of xm is less than 0, that means root is existing in the interval a, xm. So the value of b will get changed. B will get changed with xm. Else the value of a will get changed with xm. And then n. For going the second iterations, we have to increment the value of j by 1. So we are writing in the next line j is equals to j plus 1 and then n. Final answer will be stored in a variable xm, so that we will display. And what is this xm stands for? Approximate root using bisection method. That is n. Let us execute the code in SciLab. So we are going to write down the code in SciNote. Can you see over here? Launch SciNote. I'll just copy paste my code over here. After copy pasting code over here, we are going to save and execute this code. Keep the cursor on this icon. One dialog box gets open in front of you. There it asks you to save your file. So wherever you want to save your file, there you can see. So after saving it, you have to execute it. Now you have to go on console window. So in console window, can you see it is asking to enter the value, enter lower limit. So we all know that the lower limit was 1 and the upper limit was 4. Lower limit was 1, upper limit is 4. And number of iterations were 7. And enter. So here is our answer. The answer is, after performing 7 iterations, the approximate root of the equation x cube minus 20 in an interval 1, 4 is 2.710937. This is our final answer.